Hi everyone, we have Filip Hric at STAREAST conference. We are at the Lambda test booth and I caught up Filip so that we could just have two quick questions with him. So Filip, the first question is, how do you envision Cypress adapting to future trends like AI-driven testing?
Well, I hope Cypress will hop on the AI train. I think there are some first signs that they are implementing that. But I guess we'll see. It seems like with tools like Cursor and Copilot, we get a lot of code generating.
Yeah.
And I think that's fine. And if Cypress is part of that code generation, I think that could play out really well.
Thank you so much, Filip. And I just have one more question. What role do you think Cypress will end up playing in shaping the future of testing, especially for quality engineering teams?
Actually, I don't know. I'm actually hoping that Cypress will be there in the future.
Yeah.
Because it seems like their growth has been kind of slower over past years. But I still believe they can keep on innovating and they still can keep on being relevant.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping that will happen.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And the last question is, what do you have to share with the quality engineers out there who are listening to you?
I always say one thing. I always say, if you are testing, you should also sometimes put yourself in developers' shoes. Try to build an application of your own, because you will suddenly have much more empathy to what developers are doing. And I think that's a key thing to have when you want to give feedback to your developers and when you want to help build quality software. So build an application has never been easier. So try going through that process, and I promise it will help you a lot.
Thank you so much, Filip. And to our viewers, don't forget to follow Filip. He's also a Cypress ambassador and shares a lot of insights. He's a very hands-on guy and he knows what he does. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Filip.
Yeah.